Good morning, my lovely students. How are you? Fine. Give me a smile. Yes. So, ready for your assessment? Yes. So, for that, we are going to have a revision. Our topic is holiday. Oh, no. Who went on the holiday? Yes, son. So, you have revised the lesson. Very smart. So, once again, we are going with our revision. Our topic is holiday. Oh, no. So, let's start with the revision. So children, are you ready with your notebook? Yes. So we move with the first question, that is write T for the sentences that are true and F for the sentences that are false. The son thinks everyone in this world enjoys a holiday. Yes, it was right. Yes, son ने क्या बोला कि everyone takes a holiday, you and me, everyone. So even I need a holiday. So it will be true. Our next one is the son decides not to enjoy a holiday. Yes, it was a last line of a chapter. Son ने क्या decide किया? That he should not have a holiday. Why? Because everyone was looking sad and gloomy. Next one is the sun is happy as the world has become dark. सन खुश हुए क्या जब भी पूरा वर्ल्ड डार्क हो गया? नो? यस. सो इट विल बी फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज टेक द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाट डज द सन डिसाइड टू डू? यू ऑलरेडी नो. यस, यू आर वेरी स्मार्टी चिल्ड्रन. एंजॉय अ वॉक, एंजॉय अ हॉलीडे. सन ने क्या डिसाइड किया? यस, करेक्ट. एंजॉय अ हॉलीडे. Why do the babies of birds stay hungry? Tell me, why they were hungry? The birds cannot look for food in the dark. The birds are lazy. Birds lazy थे या तो फिर पक्षियों को क्या नहीं मिला? Food. क्यों? It was a dark. So which one is the correct option? Yes, the birds cannot look for food in the dark. Why is everyone sad? Why everyone was sad? They cannot see anything because it's dark. They are not well. Yes, which one is the correct option? Because nobody was able to see in the dark. Now we move to the next one. Answer these questions. What do the birds do when it becomes dark? जब भी अंधेरा हो गया तो बर्ड्स ने क्या किया? द बर्ड्स फ्लाई बैक होम व्हेन इट बिकम्स डार्क. क्या हुआ? दे वेंट होम व्हेन इट बिकम्स डार्क. व्हाट डज द सन से व्हेन सीज डार्कनेस एवरीवेयर? सन ने क्या बोला? व्हाट डज द सन से व्हेन सीज डार्कनेस एवरीवेयर? द सन सेज दैट it is of no use taking a holiday when people are sad as they cannot see anything due to darkness. I repeat for you children, how you will write? The sun say it is of no use taking a holiday when people are sad as they cannot see anything due to darkness. Sun ने क्या बोला? When he find the darkness everywhere, the sun says that it is of no use. My holiday is of no use because when people are sad, so what's the use of that holiday? अगर लोग खुश नहीं हैं तो? Now think and answer. Why does the sun decide to take a holiday? सन ने क्यों डिसाइड किया? कहाँ जाना था? लेट्स सी. द सन डिसाइड्स टू टेक अ हॉलीडे बिकॉज एवरीवन एंजॉयज अ हॉलीडे. क्या बोला सन ने? आपको, मेरे को, सबको खुशी छुट्टी चाहिए. एवरीवन नीड्स अ हॉलीडे, सो व्हाई कांट आई? सो इवन आई नीड अ हॉलीडे. व्हाई does the sun change his mind? Why does the sun change his mind? क्या हुआ सन को, उसने अपना विचार क्यों बदल दिया? Why does he change his mind? Let's read. The sun changes his mind on seeing the people becoming sad as they cannot see anything due to darkness. Because people were not able to see anything, even the birds were hungry, children were not able to play, nobody was able to do his work properly. कोई भी कुछ काम नहीं कर पा रहा था. It was a problem for the people. As they cannot see anything due to darkness. Why? Which was the problem? Darkness. Darkness. Yes. Sorry children. The sun changes his mind. So these were the reasons why the sun changes his mind. Followed beta? Good. Complete the sentences. I play dash after completing my homework. So two options will be given to you in the evening, early in the morning. बेटा जल्दी जल्दी होमवर्क कर लो, उसके बाद खेलने जाना है, मम्मा ऐसे बोलती है ना. So I play in the evening after completing my homework. Yes, correct. Mother buys a dress for me from the market. From the garden, from the market. So you will be given two options, from the garden or from the market. कहाँ से मम्मी लेके आती है नए नए मस्त मस्त कपड़े, ड्रेसेस फॉर यू? फ्रॉम द गार्डन? नो, इट्स रॉन्ग. फ्रॉम द मार्केट. यस, करेक्ट. काउ हैव हाउ मेनी हॉर्न्स? 2, 3, 4. हाउ मेनी? 2. So you will be writing 2 horns. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Brightly in the sky, darkly in the sky. Sun कैसे चमकता है? बताओ बच्चों. Brightly or darkly? So it will be brightly. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Followed? So I hope you have followed the whole worksheet. अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि कैसे कितने MCQs आएंगे, कितने मार्क्स आएंगे. पेपर स्टाइल तो मैम ने दिया ही नहीं क्योंकि हम तो स्कूल जाते नहीं हैं. तो मैं डोंट यू वरी, आई विल नाउ शो यू पेपर स्टाइल. सो डियर पेरेंट्स एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स सी द पेपर स्टाइल ऑफ इंग्लिश. ओके, यस. So dear parents and my lovely children, now I am going to tell you about the paper style. Okay, our subject is English. As you know beta, क्या subject है हमारा? English text. So it will be of 25 marks. कितने marks का होगा आपका assessment? It will be of 25 marks total. MCQs will be of 5 marks. MCQs का मतलब है take the correct option. मैम आपको 2 ऑप्शंस देंगी या तो 3 ऑप्शंस देंगी. सो यू हैव टू टेक ओनली 1. आपको मैम ऑप्शन देने वाली है, सिर्फ एक को ही टिक करना है. तो इट विल बी ऑफ 5 मार्क्स. ट्रू फॉल्स इट विल बी ऑफ 4 मार्क्स. इट विल बी ऑफ 4 मार्क्स. इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू सो यू विल बी राइटिंग T, एंड इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स सो यू विल बी राइटिंग F. अगर सही है तो आप T लिखेंगे. T स्टैंड्स फॉर ट्रू, F स्टैंड्स फॉर फॉल्स. अगर गलत है स्टेटमेंट तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? अंडरस्टूड? यस, F. करेक्ट. वेरी स्मार्टी. मैच द फॉलोइंग 5 मार्क्स. यू हैव टू डू द मैचिंग. काउ, काफ, कैट, किटन. इट्स अ एग्जाम्पल. सो यू विल मैच प्रॉपरली कि किसका मैच किधर होगा. Just put a line. Okay? Yes. Fill in the blanks. It will be of 5 marks. Fill in the blanks 5 marks. Means खाली जगह भरो. I will give you a statement and a underline. So in that underline you have to write the answer. Fill in the blanks. Okay? So it will be of 5 marks. And last will be the descriptive question answers. आपको question answers लिखने हैं. It will be of 4 but of 6 marks. 1.5, 1.5, 3, again 1.5, 1.5, 3. So 3 plus 3 it will be of 6 marks. I gave you na example कि question answers कैसे लिखना है. Why the son changes his mind? You have to write the answer. So you can write in the worksheet or in the paper or in a pin page or in a supplementary. Choice is yours. Okay. So I hope you have followed the whole paper style. It will be in this format. So dear parents and my dear students, I have told you the paper style and accordingly you have to move in this way. So I hope you have understood the paper style as well as the worksheets. So my dear students, all the best. Happy learning. Bye bye.